Hi friends, in the last video you have seen that I have used import function to import range function to import different ranges from different spreadsheets, and I have merged all these three sheets using these three statements and copied these statements somewhere in the same sheet. Now it's turn to combine or merge all these three statements into one. So let's come and we combine these statements. So to combine these statements we will have to use curly brackets. So take the cell pointer in the first cell and press equal sign, and in the equal sign and after equal sign put the braces, and in the brace within the braces we'll copy these statements. There is again an issue. So we have put the braces and pressed the cursor outside the braces, and now we can copy this statement. Now first statement is copied and the reference is coming, so need not to worry. Double click it and put the copied statement here like this, and now see, if you press enter, the first sheet will appear here like this. See here, and again double click it and put the semicolon, since we need to paste the second statement here. Put the semicolon and copy the second one. Since error is here, double click, no issue, and in the end, if you press Ctrl V, the statement will become lengthy. So it should not become lengthy. You simply press Alt and enter, and now you press Ctrl V. So your your second statement will be copied in the second line, and again press semicolon here and put the cursor outside the braces and copy this, the third statement. So third statement is copied, and again press this cell, double click and Alt and enter. So new row appears. Press Ctrl V like this. So we have copied all these three statements which I had copied earlier in the sheet. Now when you press enter like this, these three sheets are merged together, and all these three sheets are here like this. But the flaw you might face, that if you enter any or insert any row in the in any of the sheets, that row will not be reflected in the combined data. Why? Because we had the intacted data like A1 to D15 and A2 to D11 or A2 to D6. So this data is intacted and confined to the range. So what should we do to remove this limitation? We'll have to remove the row number. So I am going to remove the row number from every statement. So D15, I'll remove 15 from here. D6, I'll remove 6 from here. D11, I'll remove 11 from here, and now press enter. So this way your sheets are combined but with a huge gap. Just see here, have a look. So after 15th row, the next sheet is on the cell number 1000 or row number 1000. So if you press control key and arrow key, you will reach the second sheet. Again control and arrow key, you will reach the next sheet. So how to manage this gap? To manage this gap, we'll have to use the query function. So come to the first statement, first cell, and this is the first cell. Here write the query function, query, begin the parenthesis, and after parenthesis you will have to put the comma, and here you will have to put the query. So query is select all the rows where column 1 is not null. So your SQL statement is complete, and after this you will have to put comma and then header. Then headers we have already taken, so I'll put 0 here and will press parenthesis, close the parenthesis and press enter. And this way you will see that the entire data is intacted, and if you insert any row in any of the sheet, it will automatically be inserted in the combined data. So this way we can use import range along with the query function. Hope you will like it, and if you face any problem, kindly text me, I'll give the solution. Thank you.